How many of you would prefer to never see another picture of a badly drawn rainbow ever again? Shall we have a clap if you agree with me? Friends and colleagues, this is an invitation to a series of pressure release meetings taking place over the coming weeks and months. Within our division, there is widespread acknowledgement of the toll that the pandemic has had on staff members. We may have each had different roles, been in different boats, but there's a sense that we have all faced the same storm. So the intention of these pressure release meetings is to provide some opportunities for staff members to come together and process what we have been through. Within our teams, we have a shorthand. We talk the same language. We understand the specific stresses of our work, and we share a special kind of humour which others would likely find appalling. There is a sense that we need time to recover within these supportive communities, amongst friends and colleagues with whom we share a collective experience. No one is kidding themselves that we had a perfect team before the pandemic, far from it. Many saw the cracks and felt the chipping away of morale that was happening long before COVID. Post-COVID, there is a massive amount of work involved in rebuilding ourselves and our teams. No one underestimates that. The challenge is significant, but it is also a hugely exciting possibility, a once-in-a-generation opportunity to shift our culture in healthcare, away from a reliance on individual selflessness and altruism and towards a culture of genuine team and peer support that humanises and recognises the humanity in each of us. So in the aftermath of this awful pandemic, this terrible mess of broken crockery is totally salvageable. You may have heard of the ancient Japanese art of kintsugi, where craftsmen painstakingly repair beloved pieces of broken pottery. They stick the pieces back together and then fill in the cracks or seams with plant resin, which they make from powdered gold. It's a skilled and laborious method of repair, but what is produced in the end is something more valuable and arguably more beautiful even than the original object. The kintsugi restoration is a joyful and hopeful metaphor for how our teams could emerge from the pandemic. There is an opportunity for a golden repair here, for building back stronger.